In this video we will learn how to approve or reject commission request in FlowHCM. First of all, we will log in into FlowHCM portal. Here is the dashboard. Click on the Payroll module on top navigation bar. So here you can see Payroll Approval Form. Here you can see all the filters for selection criteria of approvals. Payroll type drop-down shows all types of requests that can be viewed. Select commission from drop-down. In the grid below you can see list of requests. Request type, status and details of requests can be seen in grid. You can either approve or reject any request and enter comments. Then save. System will show a small pop-up indicating that your request is successful.